Free Mike.
I swear, if it's East, they might quit the game. They kept getting East server apparently.
Oh. I don't know who this Freddy. I mean, they're solo queuing.
They're not bad. I mean, they're not good guys, but they're not bad.
Okay, I'm gonna go close skate. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying this. Okay.
No, make your callouts. Close gate. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I'm gonna
the
go.
hive. Try to take them out.
Volta, you want to go right? I'll go berries.
Yeah, I'll get the other gate.
No, my ping's not looking too hot. Rip.
Actually, shit. Should we even bother with berries with lobster on there?
It's not bad.
I don't think he often goes berries.
Yeah, it's like all night.
Alright, I got up.
He's up shield sword. Just leave. My cat's literally blocking half my screen. I have to stop.
Oh shit, I'm down.
Alright, I'll try and...
Alright, are up one?
They're not really run much.
Alright, I'm gonna just hang out here. We're not really doing anything.
Beautiful. Okay.
Alright, I'm going up on right.
Good job.
Come on.
I don't know how you killed
We
me.
have one.
Oh, wow. He got me. We went the exact same. Yeah, we're white. Nice.
We got
Volta.
Nice.
Oh, damn. Lobster got me. I'm on last now. They're like just hanging out there underneath the gun gate.
This is unfortunate. Oh, damn it.
I'm there.
Oh, got him.
We're 4 out.
Nice.
Yeah, Vaughn, just play it safe now.
We're three.
We have pressure.
Nice throws.
Yeah, they're gonna have to start. One in the high.
Oh, damn.
We're going one out.
Okay, we have one left.
And their snails moving.
I don't care.
Oh, let's go.
Nice.
That was actually sick. It's totally calculated and not entirely accidental either.
Was he on last?
I don't think so.
It doesn't even matter.
Yeah,
I
one
shouldn't
kill
even have
on
fought him.
Who's going tops?
I will go tops.
What's up?
I'll go
Alright, he's
bottom
going to
berries.
center.
Okay. I'm up. Lobster's up.
He's dead.
Nice. Got lobster?
I'm dead.
Ah, shit, I'm down.
Get the gun.
Come up.
No, that's fine.
I'm just going base.
Someone else get up. Right now. Lugia, get up.
Pick it up,
I'm like
mate.
jittering like that.
We're still 3 out on bombs.
They're on last.
we're all out. But that's fine. Just.
I don't know what the hell just happened.
Oh my god! Who got that? Was that you?
Must
Lugia?
be.
No.
Profile.
Profile.
Well, I was trying to stop that shield.
I've never seen a moray in a game.
I hope there's like another one that no one's ever gotten. It's a secret.
Like ours.
Okay, I got it. Alright, good stuff.
Yeah, they're white.
I'm going speed.
Beautiful. Okay. Oh, damn, I'm retarded. Okay, yeah, we're whites.
I can't get up. I'm up on ace. One.
Okay.
We're two. We're two.
Dead.
We're good.
We're gonna go to.
Got one.
Oh god!
Oh, fuck.
He was not worried.
Calm down a bit.
Nice, we got 1, 2 up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're one.
Try to get up.
They're two. Or they're three. Shit.
Or 3.
I'm down. We're two.
Get back up on right.
Oh,
Left. Oh. Never mind.
we're white.
God damn it.
Yeah, I mean, we blew the movie.
I shouldn't have been down there. I mean, until there's an opportunity that I see you guys trying to, like, when they're drawn up towards me, then I can go down. You know, I can't go down when they're all down there. That's stupid.
I think when you're down in that spot and you're trying to get out of it, rather than just trying to like escape through them, try to like pick them off.
That makes sense. But only if it's like a one-on-one where someone is encountering.
You gotta,
Jane?
We got two.
Okay, I'm gonna run berries.
Alright, I'm gonna ledge. This lobster's. I don't know.
One last.
I'm up.
They're going snail pretty hard. The Mercury's. I'm down. Shit. That was.
Oh my god, are you serious? What a nightmare.
Pretty Mercury.
Mercury, bro.
Alright, let's get our shit together.
Alright, let's go off now.
Yeah, I mean, we got Helix.
Okay, yeah.
just don't die early.
Okay. I'm gonna go to mid, and then go to their mace, and then go to our mace after.
Yeah, I'm just gonna ledge. I'm gonna try and go to the opposite gate.
I'll try to get top.
Alright, I'm up.
Alright, he's dead.
Fucking lobster, dude.
Alright.
We're alright. We're doing alright. They have 6 still.
We need 4.
I'm dead. Nice.
Lobster's
3.
getting up.
That's actually a good thing.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
Yeah, I mean, he's just gonna let that spot constantly.
Nice.
Watch out, watch out! Nice!
Oh shit, I'm bad.
Wow, he just really wants to run snail. Oh, I'm dead, I'm on last, I'm on last.
Just play it safe.
They're all mill? No, wait, no. They have
Okay, we literally have one berry, so just don't die.
Here, come hang out in this hive.
We need one going from the top and one from the... Yes! What's up?
Way too
Did you
close.
throw it from below?
Yeah, I went from both. Platform.
Man, if that guy just didn't go snail, that would have been harder.
Wasn't even close. Easy
So
pe-
close.
Easy peasy.